technological developments in the automotive world environmentally advanced rapidly. Just as an Indian manufacturer, Mankind Automotive, has made an electric motorcycle that can cover a distance of 500 kilometers once full charge. Electric motorsport like Newfangled will be marketed in 2022. Mankind EP1 electric sport bike is different from the electric motors on the market. This is because it has been designed into an electric motor that can travel a distance of 500 kilometers when the battery is full. The EP1 features a 18.4 kWh battery, and the motor is capable of producing 54 horsepower and 180 Nm of torque with a top speed of 250 km/h of belt drive. The EP1 construction supports the model as a sport bike through a trellis frame construction. Supporting devices were not arbitrary, such as Brembo 320mm brakes on the front, then Allen's full adjustable suspension on the front, as well as Showa monoshock on the back. The passive safety features of ABS and self-developed traction control by Mankind will become the standard. The weight of the motor is estimated at about 180 kilograms. Mankind plans to market an electric motorcycle that can travel a distance of 500 kilometers was about $13,045.66.